Hey Joe Lewis, what's up? Here is the video that I promised you. So I'm going to give you 3 tips on what you can do to improve your online presence and get some new clients. So the first thing I did is I searched appliance repair Fort Worth, just a generic search to see who's up top. The first section right here is the ad section. So all of these people are paying Google to be ranked whenever somebody searches appliance repair Fort Worth. So whenever you scroll a little bit further down, it brings you to the map pack, which is this right here. Whenever on the map pack, your Google business page is listed right here. These are the top 3 businesses, and I want to show you why. So whenever I click on this top one right here, number 1, it brings me to their page. I see a couple of things already. First thing I notice is that this business has 89 Google reviews. In order for you to beat them at that, you need to have 2 or 3 times as many reviews. I'll give you a link and I'll show you what you need to do to get there. The next thing I see right here is he has all of his information listed right here. So I know you probably don't necessarily want to add your address there, but if you at least put Fort Worth and your zip code on there, that could probably help you list it up. He has his phone number up here. The next thing I noticed is he has a lot of pictures. He probably has about 40 pictures. So you need to make sure you get 40, at least twice as many optimized pictures as your top competitors. When I say optimized, it means they need to be keyword rich. But the main thing they get you on top, it's not just location based, it's also by the amount of citations you have. So a citation is what I explained to you before. It's your name, address, and phone number exactly the way it's listed right here on your Google business page in as many directories as possible. So I looked up them, and Fort Worth refrigerator repair, they only have 15. So we also need to check what number 2 and number 3 slots have, and you have to beat them by at least 2 or 3 times. So I'm looking at your website right here. I noticed you don't have a address on here yet, so let's fix that right there. You also need to have a website just to show your relevance. Whenever I scroll down right here, I only notice 1 picture, which is fine for right now, but it needs to be optimized, and you need to add a lot more pictures so that they can be optimized. So the next thing here on the search under the map pack, it's the organic listing, and this is where your website would be. So the first one right here, it's actually a directory, so you can add your business to yelp.com. The second thing, it's also a directory. As I was telling you before, you can add your name to these directories without even having to pay for services. So the first actual business on here is this one, Fort Worth Appliance Repair. So when I click on their website, it shows me a couple of different things. So the first thing that I notice is their content. So you get ranked on the organic section by a couple of things. One of the biggest things is the amount of words you have on that page that you're trying to rank for. Whenever I counted his words, it's showing me that he has 2,911 words. So if you want to be ranked for that page, you need to have at least maybe 3,500 words on your page. But it's not just content alone. It has to be keyword rich content. And so I'll show you what I mean by there. So whenever I put his website into my toolbar that I use, it's showing me that all of these words right here are the words that he's being ranked for. In fact, this is the position. So he's ranked number 1 when anybody searches Fort Worth dishwasher repair or these services right here, Fort Worth dishwasher repair, M-Home, like all of these right here, he's number 1 for all the way until we get to right here, then where he starts getting to be number 2. If you look right here at this list, this is the volume. This is how many times it's searched every month for that word. This one is a good one right here, 250 times for refrigerator Fort Worth repair. So you need to have 2 or 3 times as many keywords as he does so that you can get right there on the top page. And we were talking about earlier about this word right here, appliance repair Fort Worth. So I'm going to show you something here. Okay. So I'm going to show you how many times that word alone is being searched. So Appliance Repair Fort Worth is being searched 600 times every month alone, and it's medium in difficulty to rank. So what I'm going to do for you is I want to find all the words that are easy to rank. So that means they rank 10 and below, and we're going to get you ranking on those words. So that's it. Those are the top 3 things that you can do to improve your online presence. The first one is get as many citations as possible, get more than your top 3 competitors. The second one is as soon as you build your website, make sure you have content, more than 3,500 words with keyword relevance in there, and make sure you have more backlinks. So the third thing is backlinks. So I'm going to show you what that means. So a backlink is actually whenever a backlink is whenever another company basically is pointing you out or pointing back to you on their website. So here we're putting their website in here again, and it's showing right here that they have, let's see, so they have 119 backlinks from 9 different websites. And so they have 119 other different websites that's pointing back to them, and it's just giving them power and it's giving them popularity in Google's eyes. And so with all of their backlinks from this many websites, they're getting, and they have 164 organic keywords that Google is finding on their websites. These 2 things alone is bringing them 574 visits every month. So imagine if you had that many visits, how many closes could you do? And so that's it. Those are the top 3 things: citations, content, and backlink. I'm going to send this to you right now. Call me, let me know what you think, and I will talk to you soon.